In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a video using Clipchamp. Let's dive right in and make sure you have a seamless experience by following each step closely. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a user-friendly video editing platform that offers a variety of tools to enhance your video projects. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry. We'll guide you through all the necessary steps to get you on track. Once you've reached Clipchamp, the next thing you need to do is go to your media. This is where all your video files will be stored, ready for any editing you might have planned. Simply find the video you'd like to edit in your media library. Now, to get started with muting the audio in your video, we need to head over to the editing panel. Look for the video clip you want to edit within this panel. It's usually quite easy to spot, as the interface is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. With your video highlighted in the editing panel, you're ready to make some changes. You'll want to right-click on the video. When you do this, a menu should appear with a list of options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Audio. Select this option. This action will open up additional audio settings related to your video clip. Now, within these audio settings, look for the Mute option. This is the feature that will allow you to silence the audio track in your video. Clicking Mute will effectively remove all sound from the video clip, leaving you with a silent video. This is a simple yet powerful tool, especially if you're adding new audio or background music later on. After you've done this, your video should now be muted. If you've followed each of these steps carefully, you should see that your video no longer plays any sound. It's important to confirm this by playing the video back briefly to ensure that it's truly silent. If it is, you've done everything correctly and your video is now ready for the next stages of editing, or perhaps ready to be shared if no further adjustments are needed. Remember that Clipchamp offers many other features that you can experiment with, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life. And that's it. You've learned how to effectively mute a video using Clipchamp. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on using Clipchamp and other exciting editing tools. Have a great day and happy editing.